President Trump meets President Putin on Monday, and the president says it's going to be a tough meeting. Roll tape.
When you look at what we've done in terms of Russia, I guarantee whoever it is in Russia, they're saying, oh, gee, do we wish that Trump was not the victor in that election. We have been far tougher on Russia than anybody, and probably than, look, I'm not going to go down 100 years, but certainly we have been extremely tough on Russia.
All right, now take a look at a Fox News poll. 53% say Mr. Trump has not been tough enough on Russia. Joining us now, Lester Munson, former White House policy advisor. Lester, do you think that the Russians are saying, oh, gee, I hope it's not President Trump? Do you think they're saying that?
You know, there's a little bit of truth in what the president is saying. He has been tough on policy against Russia. He's taken a hard line in Ukraine. He's given them weapons. The Obama administration didn't do that. But the president has also said very favorable things about Vladimir Putin, and that's very helpful to Putin. So I think it's a bit of a mixed bag.
The president also said, referring to President Obama, he said, I don't think Putin would have done that, take over Crimea, if I was president. He called it an Obama disaster. What's your judgment on that?
Well, it's a great statement to make because we'll never know. Putin also invaded Georgia while President Bush was president. He invaded Ukraine while President Obama was president. You know, Trump's got at least 2 more years. Something else may happen, and then we'll know for sure.
Do you think our president is going to take a hard line? I mean, he says he is. What do you think?
I don't think he's going to take a hard line publicly. I think his policies have been a hard line. He's had extensive sanctions against Russia. He's been friendly to our new friend and ally in Ukraine. So the actual policy on the ground towards Russia has been terrific. But his rhetoric, I think his rhetoric, the reason he's being very nice to Vladimir Putin is he's hoping to get more. He wants to see Russia cooperate with us more in Syria. It's unclear whether that will work. But I think that's what he's trying to do on Monday.